Hello guys, and welcome back. Coming up, we're preparing the most tastiest and delicious herring sprat. Stay tuned, starting now. Okay guys, now here is the herring sprat, or what is called thread herring. You can get it to purchase in most Asian or Caribbean food store, or just in any fish market. Okay, so once you purchase the fish in a box like this, you have to do the scaling and the gutting by yourself. So chef is just scaling it and cleaning it properly, and then putting it in this basin with some lemon water, just to remove any extra rawness from the fish. And guys, chef is the one who is in the kitchen today. We usually work together in making these cooking videos, so today is the one in control. I thank everyone of my returning subscribers and viewers, and if you're here for the first time, kindly subscribe if you're interested in more contents like these. So guys, chef actually corrected me. I think the fish came gutted already, but of course you still have to go over it and remove any excess thing from the gut, and you have to make sure that you remove all those very fine scale. So that didn't take too long, so chef is just going ahead now to rinse the fish and make them nice and clean. Alright, so now it's time to season the fish, and in this bottle we have some homemade fish seasoning, where we combine some pimento or allspice and some black pepper and some salt. Just very simple and easy. Once you introduce too much seasoning into frying the fish, then the fish begins to burn very easily. So just these very simple spices for our homemade fish seasoning. And yes guys, we're taking an important step to dry the fish, because if the oil is not hot enough and you put the fish with the water, then it might start falling apart. So this is a very important step, to dry the fish first before you introduce it in the hot oil. Guys, if you're here for the first time and you're interested in how to ideas how to make very economical dishes, maybe cooking with the family, maybe places that you can travel for family outings or vacation, this is what we do on this channel. So if you're interested in contents like these, please go ahead and hit the subscription button for free, and also hit the notification bell that you can be one of the first to be notified when we upload these videos. Also guys, please don't be afraid to leave your comments in the comment section. Let us know if how you enjoy these contents. Give us your own ideas on how you do things. Like let us know if you prepare herring sprat. Let us know if this is a new type of fish or dish for you. Just don't be shy. Please go ahead and connect with us in the comment section. Okay, it's time now to fry the fish. So we have added some oil to the pot, which is on medium heat, just enough oil to cover the fish, and we're adding some pimento seeds and some sliced fresh ginger, just to add a little extra flavor to the fish. And I think we've added some fresh garlic cloves, and we have added 1 scotch bonnet pepper. This is gonna really boost the flavor, turn up the flavors in the fish. And so we let it fry until, you know, it's firm on both sides. You know, some people like their fish a little bit crispier than some, so I won't give how much time to fry on each side. You know, you will determine based on the level of crispiness that you like. And if you notice, guys, we have a tray here that we're putting the fish on that is gonna allow the excess oil to drain from the fish in the bottom of the tray. And we have covered it with this mesh to keep the oil from spilling all over the place. So, you know, it's just a technique that you can try if you don't already do this in your kitchen. Okay, so here it is, guys. Everything is fried, crispy and dry and looking good. It's ready to eat. But guys, before we do that, we're just gonna prepare a pickle for the fish. We're cutting up some bell peppers, 1 onion, 1.5 carrot, and we have 2 scotch bonnet peppers that we'll be using to flavoring the sauce. You know, once you put this on the fish, it's gonna make it so tasty, so spicy, you know, and we'll be letting you know the other ingredients that we'll be using in the sauce. Once you make this sauce for the fish, you can just pour it on top of the fish, and you don't even have to put it in the refrigerator for a couple of days. You can just leave it out on the counter because the sauce you know, will be preserved with the vinegar that we'll be using. Okay guys, and now to make the sauce, we're using 1 cup of vinegar. We're adding slices of scotch bonnet pepper, some fresh sliced ginger, some pimento seeds, and the julienne carrots. Guys, all measurements will be in the description. We're adding, you know, a little bit of coconut oil for some extra natural and fruity flavor, and it's gonna give off a very nice smelling, delicious tasting aroma. We're adding 2 sticks of cinnamon, and that also is gonna give off a very nice aroma. So we just saute this a little bit in the vinegar and the oil. Alright, so we're adding some chopped onions and some chopped bell peppers. You know, these make the fish, you know, the dish so colorful and very flavorful, very appetizing. So now, just to spice things up, we're adding some black pepper, adding some granulated sugar, and all measurements will be in the description. The sugar is gonna balance out the tartness from the vinegar, and then we're gonna just top it off with a little bit of sea salt just to put the icing on the cake. And guys, the veggies, you can't cook them too long on the fire You just want to make them just a little bit soft. And here now guys is the finished product. I mean, you could just have gone ahead and fry the fishes and just eat them just like that, but just look at how elevated this dish is just by adding this pickle sauce with all these veggies, and then the nice balanced sweet and sour flavor from the vinegar and the sugar and all the other spices that have been added, the scotch bonnet pepper and the allspice. It is just finger licking good. This is something you can have on its own with fried bami or festival or whatever you choose. I thank you so much guys for always coming back to watch this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and see you next time.